Hey everyone, welcome back to Dreamland with Aaliyah. Thank you for joining me. And Sister Studios and Ava Studio Production. How's everyone doing today? I'm doing great. I'm so glad that I'm here with you. So this week is Kwanzaa, and I am so excited. So there are 7 days of Kwanzaa, and the first day is Umoja, and Umoja means unity. Usually at this time of year, I'd be up in Connecticut with all of my family celebrating Kwanzaa, but this year, because of COVID-19, we couldn't. But we had an amazing Zoom, and I really enjoyed it. All right, so we're gonna read My First Kwanzaa by Katz. Hooray, hooray! It's time to get ready for Kwanzaa. First, we get the kinara. It's made of shiny wood. I put in 7 candles. 3 red, 1 black, and 3 green. Do you see our kinara right here? We light a candle every night to celebrate a special idea. Mommy brings the kikombe, the unity cup. For each child, we place 1 ear of corn, the muhindi, on a straw mat. My brother adds apples, yams, nuts, and squash. The fruits and vegetables, mazao, remind us of the end of the harvest and the beginning of the planting season. Just like in Africa. Umoja, unity. That's today. On the first day of Kwanzaa, neighbors come to visit. We ask, Habari gani? That means, what's the news? We laugh and talk and sing. We are friends and family. So that is the first candle, the black one right here in the middle. Can you say Umoja? Great job. Kuji chagulia, self-determination. On the second day of Kwanzaa, I ask Mommy to braid my hair in a fancy African way. It makes me feel proud. Can you say Kuji chagulia? Ujima, working together. On the third day of Kwanzaa, we plant flowers in the lot next door. We all work together to make our neighborhood pretty. Ujima. Ujamaa, helping our neighborhood grow. On the 4th day of Kwanzaa, we buy special food for our celebration. We like to shop in our neighborhood stores to keep our businesses strong. Nia, purpose. On the 5th day of Kwanzaa, I dream of what I can be. Someday, I will be an African dancer like my Aunt Tasha. Kuumba. This is my favorite day. Creativity. On the 6th day of Kwanzaa, my cousin and I paint a clay pot and we weave some baskets. We will make our house beautiful. Ava and I always do special crafts on Kuumba. Imani, faith. On the 7th day of Kwanzaa, we light the last candle to show our faith in ourselves, our family, our future, and our past. Grandma gives us zawadi gifts for promises we have kept all year. A handmade doll for me and an African shaker gourd for my brother. At last, it's time for the feast. We call it karamu. Friends come over and everyone cooks delicious African food. The house smells so good. Spicy chicken and sweet yams. We all take a sip from the unity cup and share our wonderful meal. Do you want to see? This is the unity cup right here. Then we sing, dance, play music, and celebrate. Happy Kwanzaa! The end. What an amazing book. I read this one every year. Today is Umoja, so come together with your family and have a great time. Happy Kwanzaa, everyone. Bye.